It can be inferred that a Rembrandt is A, a work of art by the famous artist Rembrandt, B, a fashion design by the designer Rembrandt, C, a style of fashion from long ago, or D, a style of clothing with gold braid. In order to answer this question, let's locate its keyword Rembrandt in the text. We see Rembrandt mentioned in the last sentence, where a Saks Fifth Avenue fashion director says, "How would you ever translate a Rembrandt?" Taking a broader look at the context of this sentence, we see that the fashion director is saying, not all famous paintings make beautiful clothing. Because the main idea of this paragraph discusses art being used as inspiration in fashion, we can logically understand that Rembrandt must be an artist and a Rembrandt must refer to a piece of art by this famous artist. Based on this, we can go down into our answers and select A, a work of art by the famous artist Rembrandt, as our final answer.